channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. I'm glad you're here. I am so excited. I literally have 5 minutes before I have to go to work, but Coach and Sephora released a palette collection with like all of the animals in my spirit zoo. There's a unicorn, a shark, and a T-Rex. Like, are you kidding me, Coach? So, they're here. We're gonna do like a 5-minute impressions before I go to work, and then I'm gonna come back later. And we're going to do, like, get into it. I'm gonna try to put some on my face. I'm going to open this with these tweezers because I didn't bring any scissors in the bathroom and I'm in a hurry. So excited. So excited. Oh my gosh. Could you just die? Like, the unicorn. Okay. Look at Rex. Look, I'm not okay. Sephora, what are you doing to me? What are you even doing? And of course I got some samples, so totally. Not okay. Sharky, I can't. How pretty is this? Stop. Okay. So it's got the key. Wow, it's got some like heft to it. It's got the little Coach keychain. It's got that clippity clip. Oh my word. Okay. And it's like magnet. It just slides right open. This is just as glorious as I expected. And you can like keep this forever. Okay, should we try? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's just do a little bit. Let's take sand. Oh, look how you've got like that. Okay, a little bit of sand right there. Fall? No. Oh wow, it's quite like. Wow. Clearly in the shadows over here. So let's yeah, let's go ahead and like blend that one a bit. Wow. Okay. Oh my word. So here for these. The pigment is like really. Yeah. Rex. Rexy, he's called here. The packaging. Can you even? This is Rexy. I can't open it. Why can't I open it? Oh. Okay, so let's use a little bit of this one. Okay, does it open both ways? Oh, it opens both ways. Okay, this, oh no, I'm gonna do this one. This frost. Oh, there's a mirror. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow, okay, so, da-da-da. Okay, so let's use a little bit of this frost. And just go up top because I used a little too much the other one and I don't have time for blending because I gotta get to work. Oh, wow. Yeah, feeling it. It is sparkly. Look at this peony color. And this taupe. Oh, so beautiful. I think we're just gonna be late to work. This is longer than a preview. Uni. Yeah, I'm breaking all of my nails. And again, just stop it. Look how cute. This one, clay rose and bronze. Oh, this one's a face palette. So, okay, face. Let's get a face palette. Let's do some bronzing. First, whoa, whoops. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so pigmented. Okay, all right, this is aggressive. Oh no. Okay. All right. I think. Can I move you guys like into the light a little more? Yeah. Okay. All right. That's a little more acceptable. I can like go outside. Okay, let's see. Okay, so super pigmented. Be careful. I may have like really dabbed that hard. Okay, let's go with just like a dash of rose. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Just a dash. Wow, oh, I love it. Okay, public service announcement. I did blend my whole face. It doesn't look this crazy all day. It's still super bronzy. I'm gonna need to wash some of that off before I All right, super fast impressions. I love them. They're beautiful. I cannot wait to play with these more. Stick around. You know, listen, subscribe. So good to see you. Welcome to the bathroom. Coach and Sephora, you're killing me. I love everything. Hello, everyone. I don't know what I'm holding this braid for because it was in my hand. I'm editing, and that was a fun adventure. I was so excited. Let me know your thoughts. I am still like the pigment on that lasted all day. Why is this? My webcam is so weird. The pigment of those palettes lasted all day. They're all stunning. Like, I'm so obsessed with all of them. Perhaps I should do like a whole look. Do you guys want to see some more of them? Do you enjoy me like frantically sharing all my thoughts with you in the bathroom before work? I don't know. Just drop your comments below. Let me know how you feel, what you're thinking. And I will see you next time, and it will not be amps to 11. I'll be like amps to 9.5.